Hello everyone, my name is Shararole and today I'm going to tell you how to make something delicious and that's also very nutritious and a tasty snacks, and that's protein bar. So let's see the ingredients. And here are the ingredients. So we have some peanuts. We'll need some peanuts, cashew, walnut, sunflower, sesame, coconut and pistachios, raisins, dates, jaggery, and this is almond, and this is the cardamom powder. So we'll now roast all of these except jaggery, dates and raisins. So and roast them differently because they have their own taste and they should not get mixed up. So firstly, I'm gonna roast these sunflower seeds. So now we'll roast these sunflower seeds till they become brown. And we'll do it with all these ingredients. So now we have roasted all of these ingredients, and we have baked some big ingredients like almond, walnuts, pistachio and cashews. Now our next step is to melt the jaggery. So now we have melted jaggery and it has started to melt. It has got the brownish color. The melting process is done for the jaggery. Now we'll add the cardamom powder, dates and raisins. So now let us add dates. I've added all the dates. Now let us add the cardamom powder. Now we'll mix it nicely. Now we will take a big plate and take its back side and then apply ghee on it so that it will be easily removable for substances. Now we have added all the ingredients in that jaggery. We'll mix this properly. It has become very thick. As you can see, this is very thick and solid. Now we have put the mixture on the back side of the plate where we have applied ghee. Now we'll flatten this. So now we have flattened this. Now we'll put it in the fridge for 30 minutes. Then afterwards you can cut it in your desired shape. So I have kept this in the fridge. So now I have removed this after 30 minutes and I've got this as the results. Now let us cut it. It's very hard to cut it, but we can. So here I have cutted this and you can cut it at your desired shape. So I have cut this protein bar. Now I'll just show you by removing one. Isn't it looking so delicious? Now I'll taste it. This is so yummy. They are very nutritious and yummy. And you can cut it into any shapes you want. I have cut these into squares and rectangles. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you. Bye.